Hello everyone, we are here sa Casa Verde Kanituan. Let's go! This is how it looks like outside the resto. Muna lang menu, you can pause if you like to see. They also have pasta, platter, and drinks. For our entree, we have pork barbecue ribs. For our drinks, we have passion mango tea. We also have beef burgers with hibiscus berry tea. Let's eat! Let's eat! Let's eat! In all fairness, lamig lang beef burger. Must try. Atong i-taste lang fries. Mas nindot siguro yung French fries ni. Next, let's try their barbecue ribs. Lamig. I like it. Let's pair it with rice. Yummy. Dili siya fall off the bone, pero humok siya actually. Kaya yung meat mismo. Let's try their peach mango tea. Lamig. Next, ilang hibiscus berry tea. Not for my taste buds. Mas ganahan ka tong peach mango. I don't know if makita ninyo, pero awa, so soft. I did not expect na affordable na dahil sa Casa Verde, guys. Considering the place, nice kayo siya, and romantic. But limited lang ilang tables and chairs. I think tara siguro sila 8 tables, more or less. So if you come here nga daghan mo, better to book a reservation before coming here. Nag-walk-in rami and fortunately na-arrive vacant. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time. Bye!